Welcome to Domino English Lessons. Welcome back to Domino English Lessons, where we learn English through real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about future plans, career goals, and ambitions using simple, everyday English. Now, let's watch Talking About Future Plans.
What will you do after finishing your studies?
I will look for a job.
What kind of job will you do?
I will work as an office assistant.
That sounds good. Will you continue your studies?
Yes, I will study in the evening.
That's a good plan. I will start my own business in the future.
Really? What will you sell?
I will sell clothes.
That's interesting. I hope you will succeed.
Thank you. I hope you will get a good job too.
We will work hard for our future.
Yes, we will achieve our goals.